Hi everyone, I'm Sang Kim. In this video, I would like to share how to calculate residuals and chisq.statistics with Yates correction for chisq.test. Let me use the same data which I have used in the previous video. In order to calculate chi-square, we need to calculate expectation first. So for row margin, we can use some if function and range from column A, press F4, comma criteria, comma some range from frequency. For column margin, some if range from column B here, comma criteria, comma some range from frequency here. Right, and the expectation we can use VLOOKUP function. Lookup value from row, comma table array from row margin, comma 2, comma first, and times VLOOKUP. Lookup value from column B here, comma column margin, and over sum of total samples. Okay, then chi-square value can be calculated by observed value minus expected value and squared over expected value. And total chi-square value is sum of cell chi-square value, and the p-value is 1 minus chisq.test and x degrees of freedom, comma 1, comma true, cumulative true option. Okay. Yep, same one. All right. Then in our program, once you save it, the result of chi-square-test as output, you also can calculate residuals and standardized residuals. So we can use this formula to calculate this one. So let's get residuals of the value minus expected value over square roots of expected value. And standardized residuals, we can use this formula. It has marginal probability here. So let's get marginal probability for row and column. So first row here, sum of first row over sum of total samples. For second row, sum of frequency over total samples. Okay. And for column margin, column probability, marginal probability, sum of column, this one, over sum of total samples. And second column, sum of second column here over sum of total samples. Right. And the standardized residuals can be calculated by observed value minus expected value over square root of expected value times 1 minus marginal row probability. So we look up value from column A, comma table array, Force. And times 1 minus lookup value from column, comma, marginal probability from column, 2, force, right. Then we can apply this formula for other cells, right, which is same as our output. Okay, and let's move on to Yates correction. So chi-square value with Yates correction. So we can use this formula. According to Wikipedia, the effect of Yates correction is to prevent overestimation of statistical significance for small data. Anyway, so EBS, absolute value from observed value minus expected value minus 0.5 and squared over expected value. Right. Then the chi-square value is sum of or chi-square value here 4.14, yeah, 4.140807. The p-value 1 minus chisq.test and chi-square value 1, true. Right. So yeah, this is same as our output. That's it for today. I hope it was useful for you to understand how to calculate residuals and chi-square value with Yates correction. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.